As the previous video has shown, many satellites have been sent into space to watch the solar activity, keeping an eye on everything from sunspots to mass ejections. Indeed, another was launched in February this year, the Solar Dynamics Observatory, where it will sit in a geosynchronous orbit, taking one image every tenth of a second from multiple cameras. And that geosynchronous orbit means that we'll be able to see those images faster than any other satellite like SOHO and STEREO. And they'll be of even greater quality. Let's not forget that SOHO takes pictures with cameras that are nearly 15 years old now. The SDO's camera are high definition in comparison. What does that mean for Nibiru? Well, I'm sure that as soon as photos become available, it'll mean believers sifting through them one by one, hoping to pick out funny-looking blobs or dashes, anything that doesn't make sense to them, and must therefore be a planet headed towards Earth. If only there was some way of harnessing that energy and using it to further our knowledge of science. Oh wait, there is! To make a YouTube video exposing... to identify objects and events in an easy-to-understand and almost game-like manner. Enter Solar Stormwatch, a website that simply asks, can you help? You see, as good as scientists are, they could do with more pairs of eyes. What this website does is simple. It allows everyday people to see what scientists see and to catalogue it for them. That is to say that once you've registered for free and completed a very helpful tutorial on what to look out for, you can begin evaluating imagery from STEREO's cameras. The primary focus is on solar storms, and whether you can spot them, see when in time they began, which cameras saw them, and so on. Anything that scientists can use to give them an idea of what happened. You can even go through the videos to identify other events, like comets, particle strikes, or optical effects like lens flares, all of which you'll have been trained to spot so that you know what to look out for. If you're experienced enough, you can even have a go at the beacon mode data, low-quality black and white data transmitted on a faster timescale than the higher quality data, but still an early indication of what has happened on the Sun. You can submit anything and everything you see, and it all goes to helping the team learn more about solar activity. Or you could make a YouTube video claiming it to be one big government cover-up. If, however, you are interested in Solar Stormwatch, check out the other projects as well, including Galaxy Zoo, where you can classify galaxies or hunt for supernova. I really hope there are some Nibiru or Planet X or whatever believers watching this video who do at least check this out. You can help the world for once. You might even be lucky enough to discover a new object, like Hanny's voorwerp, found by Dutch schoolteacher Hanny van Arkel while she was classifying galaxies on websites like these. You can genuinely help science here. You have the perfect channel in which to ask people what you're looking at and be told the answers. But unfortunately, I expect you won't do such a thing. How's about you prove me wrong? How's about you watch for solar storms?
Well, one way that people can get involved, of course, is we have a project called Solar Stormwatch, which we've launched with the Royal Observatory Greenwich and the Galaxy Zoo team to get people to actually look at stereo data and track these storms with us. And it's providing a really valuable insight into the behaviour of the Sun. And there is even the possibility that you could be able to detect them in real time and provide one of these alerts. We're right at the very beginning stages of this process, but people can actually get involved with this project by going to the website, which is www.solarstormwatch.com, and their help will be really valued by us because we've got so much data, and the more people looking at it, the more we'll find.
It shows that astronomy is one science where everyone, professional and amateur, can get involved. That's true, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah.